moments more special by presenting flowers to her. And now may I request Manusa and Taksi to please come near the bottle for a quick photo session with the iconic Yakult bottle. This is the moment where Yakult meets star power. Thank you very much. I'm right-handed, so I It's a virtual transmission of gut, of Yakult to our gut. Thank you very much, Manasa. Thank you, Sakshi. You may please stay on the stage. We'll quickly prepare our stage for the much awaited Q&A session. We know that you can't hold your questions any further. So we'll cheers on Yakult. Can we all say cheers? Thank you very much. We'll quickly prepare our stage for the Q&A. One more special dignitary will be joining us for the question and answer session, and I take this opportunity to introduce Dr. Neerja with a PhD in biotechnology.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's afternoon, right? Yeah. I actually don't have a speech prepared because I told Amano-san that whatever I'll speak, it'll be spontaneous from my heart, from my mind, from my gut. Because I cannot feel luckier when a brand like Yakult, which is so trusted, so reliable, reaches out to someone like me. It kind of validated the fact that I might have a very healthy image outside is why Yakult wants to associate with me. And I think maybe they were pleasantly surprised that I'm equally big fan of theirs, because for years me and my family have kind of considered Yakult our go-to help, not just cure but actually a preventive measure. I don't know, I probably take a very long time if I start telling you how big a believer I am in gut health. It changed my life when I realized about gut health. Almost 7-8 years back, when I started my journey with my nutritionist, the first thing that she told me was, first get your gut sorted, then everything else will come easy. And that's the mantra that I follow till date. If your gut is healthy, you can achieve anything with your health. You know, six-pack abs to like look healthier, younger, whatever you would want. But for everything, you need healthy gut. It is truly the second brain. I can second that. For like I'm a standing example of the fact that I had to repair my gut to look and feel the way I do today. And I will recommend this to all of you, that if you need someone's help and support, Yakult definitely is a gut expert, because it definitely helps you get that bacteria, the good bacteria in your body, to fight everything wrong that can possibly cross through, and kind of help you achieve the health that you truly deserve. Because see, the kind of food we eat and the environment we live in, we definitely can do with a little bit of help, and Yakult is always there for that. So it's not just a cure, I feel, it's preventive as well. And that's why I think I just finished a bottle, because I have a chole bhature lunch coming up, so it will help. Thank you so much, Amano-san, for having me part of Yakult family. Actually, मुझे हिंदी में बात करनी चाहिए इनसे. पहली बार जब इनसे बात करी थी इन्होंने बहुत प्यारी एक छोटी सी स्पीच हिंदी में बोली थी मुझे, तो वो अचानक से मुझे इतना बड़ा झटका लगा कि इतनी प्यारी हिंदी बोलते हैं। मैंने कहा इनके साथ तो आगे से हमेशा हिंदी में ही बात करेंगे। तो थैंक यू अमानुसान, धन्यवाद मुझे अपने परिवार का हिस्सा बनाने के लिए, और उम्मीद है हमारी ये जो दोस्ती है, ये जो साथ है, बहुत सारे सालों तक बना रहेगा। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, Taapsee, for words of wisdom. Please take the center seat. Center seat, please. I request Amana-san to also join us on stage, and a very special dignitary will also be joining us. Let me quickly introduce her. With a PhD in biotechnology and over 20 years of experience.
Since you said that you take care of your gut health, right? So, what is your daily routine, or how do you take care of it, and why it is important?
As I said, it is important not just to achieve a certain goal of you need to have a certain sized body, or you want to have your abs. It's also good to feel good from inside. I take care of it not just by properly timed meals in terms of, okay, you need to have a particular quantity to make sure your body digests it well, but also what you eat is digested in the best possible way is extremely important. So I actually have probiotics daily, like Yakult daily in my food diet, and especially the days when I have these kind of cheat meals, because that is extremely helpful to digest all these cheat meals. Every day, or I actually can say that every day. Maybe I would have skipped it when I'm traveling and forgotten it, which Amano-san will help me carry it always with me now. But at home, we've always had a stock of Yakult. Probiotics in general, I would say, is everyday requirement of the body. And I've been following it over years. So I can very easily, very happily recommend that to all of you.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, yes, we'll take it from you. Excuse me.
Hi, Amanu-san, this is Leishemba from PTI. Slightly related to your business. You said you have been here in India since 2008. So how has been the business journey in India so far? How big is the Indian market for you right now from a Yakult Diamond point of view? And 5 years down the line, where do you see the Indian market for yourself?
Thank you very much. Actually, that time I came here 2006 and we prepared, and 2008 we launched the product. At that time, actually, none of the people know about probiotics and Yakult brand name. So at a very hard time to even at sales start and everything. But continuously last 18 years we have dedicated promotion activities, science activities, and gradually the awareness of probiotics and Yakult brand is increasing. So recently most of the people know about probiotics, and this is a very big change for us.
Hello. Yes, I hear it.
Sir, can we please first take from her? Yes, ma'am, please.
Hi Taapsee, I'm Srujini from Z News, and I wanted to ask you, as a true Delhi ki ladki, you must have grown up with amazing food around you. So how do you manage your cravings while maintaining your gut health and fitness? And also, what is that one craving that you always give in?
I just answered that in the beginning. I cannot resist good food. मैं दिल्ली की सरदारनी हूँ, मैं खाते पीते घर से हूँ, I'll do everything else to make sure I get to eat what I want to eat. That is why gut health is extremely important for me, because when I started reading up about it, when I got introduced to the idea of gut health by my nutritionist 7 years back almost, she said if you keep your gut healthy, you can eat anything that you want. And I was sold. So I said I'll do whatever it takes to keep my gut healthy, because I cannot give up on food. I live to eat, and I don't want to change that ever in my life. So yeah, Delhi ki ladki continues to eat everything that Delhi has to offer, today's visit also will mark that. Yeah, as I said, so I think that's why I'm very happy that I'm associating with a brand like Yakult, because it kind of helps you to give in to your cravings. Now I can eat whatever I would want to for my lunch, and Yakult will take care of the rest.
Thank you.
Sir, we'll take from you. Yes.
Hi, I'm Pranav. This side. Yeah, my question is to Yakult India representative. You said that you have launched a spot as well. Does that mean that which side of branding that you're looking for? Are you competing against fizzy drink, or you're selling yourself as a health expert, or you're selling yourself as another FMCG product? That is for the Yakult India representative. And question to Taapsee is, you are one of the few who have, let me say, hourglass look. It still ends up taking care of your health. What is the message that you give to people, especially to those who are into body cutting and body loss, that they do, and what is that one message that you give, because that is very important message from your side that would go out.
Thank you. The big difference with other FMCG company that our company is based on the science, so that we increase awareness of probiotics and increase the knowledge of the people about probiotics. So that if the probiotic category increase, also we can also grow in the category. So that we really invest and focus on this point.
Hello?
Just to add to Amano-san, actually we are in the functional food space now, and Yakult is central to today's India's health and wellness landscape. Ever since COVID-19, there's a lot of talk about gut health, about immunity and preventive health care. So I think in the times to come, Yakult is going to be one of the leaders in the functional food space. And today we know that we are battling with the triple burden of nutrition, malnutrition. We have undernutrition, we have hidden hunger, and we have overnutrition. So like Taapsee said, and Amano-san also stated in his talk, that until and unless your gut is healthy, despite the kind of food that you're eating, it's not getting digested properly in the body, and the adequate amount of nutrients are not reaching the body to give you proper growth and development. And therefore, 52% of our population is actually undernourished. If you see, malnutrition is a huge concern in India. So, when you're talking about nutrition, there's a lot of talk about balanced diet, high fiber diets. We really have a lot of expense towards our superfood, so to say. But unless and until your gut is healthy, it has little or no meaning. And the health of the gut is actually determined by those 100 trillion bacteria which are present there. So you'll be surprised to know that we are just 10 trillion human cells, and we are a total of 100 trillion microbial cells. So we have more bacteria than human cells, and most of these are basically located in the gut. And it is these microbes which help in digestion of food, absorption of nutrients, and also help to build our immunity, because 70% of the body's immune system is also in the gut. And it appears that these microbes could actually be responsible for our mental well-being because of the gut-brain axis. So the good bacteria are which help to keep the digestive system strong, help to build our immunity, and also reduce risk of infections. So these are basically in the functional food space, and that's where we are.
And to answer your question, I know that there are countless diets in the market. There are extreme gym routines that people follow. And of course, there are other ways and means to look thinner. But I have never tried to introduce gut health or health in my life for the sake of just how I look from the outside. When I started with improving my gut health, it was because I wanted to feel good from inside. My profession, yes, demands it, but there are so many other professions that necessarily need not be in front of the camera to look a certain way. It's about how you feel how your mind works, how your body feels from the inside. And that was my driving force to start improving my gut health. And yes, how you look is kind of an after effect of the fact that your gut health is good. It was not my sole driving purpose to improve my gut health just because I wanted to look good from the outside. So, no matter how many hours of gymming you do, no matter what kind of diet you follow, unless and until your gut is in good condition, none of that is going to help. Because I was following a lot of that before I realized about gut health. I used to still feel bloated, I used to still have some reflex issues. So, I never understood why, in spite of eating healthy, all the salads, all the roasted and steamed and all that stuff, why am I not feeling good from inside? And that's when I realized it's so important to have healthy gut. And there is a book in the market that me and my nutritionists have written called it's called Yuktahar, the Belly and the Brain Diet, which clearly I have written a foreword for it, and there's a full chapter where you can actually see how I got to know about gut health and how I worked upon improving my gut health. And yeah, probiotics will help a lot of us. It's not just about looking like an hourglass figure, it's about how you feel from the inside, because that should be your driving force more than anything else, I feel.
Can we pass the mic? Yes, so we'll first take the mic.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rashmi, I'm from Z Media. My question is to you, Tapsi. You are looking, first of all, very beautiful today. Yeah. So you're known for your fitness, and you just said in the beginning of your speech that you should speak in front of Mr. Manu, and he gave a very good speech in Hindi as well. So I'm going to ask you a question in Hindi. So, आप किस टाइम याकुल्ट पीती हैं? Before gym, before yoga, after gym? Like, what is the right time to have याकुल्ट?
देखो, प्रोबायोटिक यूजली लोग क्या करते हैं, बाद में खाते हैं कई, बट मैंने अपने रूटीन में जब प्रोबायोटिक इंट्रोड्यूस किए, याकुल्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया, मैंने रियलाइज किया मुझे खाली पेट खा के ज़्यादा अच्छा फील होता है, बिकॉज उसके बाद मैं जो खाती हूँ मुझे लगता है कि बहुत अच्छे से डाइजेस्ट हो रहा है. सो मैंने अपने मील प्लान्स में इंट्रोड्यूस करके ट्राई एंड टेस्ट करके कि आप देखिए, सब बॉडी, हर एक की बॉडी अलग अलग होती है. आपको ट्राई करना पड़ेगा कि दिन के किस समय में आप याकुल्ट पिएंगे तो आपकी बॉडी को डाइजेस्ट करने में आसानी लगे. तो मेरे को पर्सनली अगर आप पूछे तो मेरे को खाली पेट अगर मैं याकुल्ट खाऊं और पीऊं और उसके बाद खाना खाऊं तो मुझे ज़्यादा बेटर लगता है. ये मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है याकुल्ट के साथ, ज़रूरी नहीं है सबका वैसा.
So, can we first take from him? Yes. Can you please pass on the mic to him?
Thank you very much. My name is Naresh. I represent the Sagar Media. My question is, if this is an energy drink, I hope it is, then how much calories it gives to a human body, and is this drink applicable and palatable for youngsters, old man, and young people? So what is your, this question goes to the doctor. Is this drink palatable for all ages, or it is for specific areas? Thank you. And the calories you have to tell me.
So, yeah, that's a very good question, because there has been some confusion that Yakult is an energy drink, but it's absolutely not an energy drink. It is a health drink. It's a probiotic fermented milk drink and comes under the functional food category. So, the caloric value of one bottle of Yakult, I'm talking about the one with the red cap, is 50 kilocalories. And the one with the blue and the yellow cap is 24 kilocalories. And it is suitable for anyone above the age of 2 years. So everybody, including children, adults, and elderly, Yakult is, good for their gut health as well as immunity.
Hello. Hi Tapsi, this is Sharikul. I want to ask that what are the gut problems you have ever faced in your life, and how you recovered from it, and what advice you want to give to your fan so that they will not face this kind of problems?
मैंने ऐसा आंसर दिया ही है अभी इस चीज़ का. I did have problem of feeling that my body has low metabolism at extremely young age, which was very scary. I had, because of the erratic work hours in this profession, because of the fact that our food timings are not fixed, where we eat is not fixed, every time we cannot control the kind of food that we are eating. So yes, I did have a lot of gut issues, which got slowly and steadily changed, and very happily I can say right now, I think I have quite a strong gut, and hence I can afford to eat whatever I want. And one of the, apart from, yes, of course, probiotics help. So Yakult was one of the things I introduced in my diet to combat all my gut issues. And but overnight kuch nahi hota hai. So you have to slowly and steadily repair your gut. Have slightly healthier eating habits. Healthy eating habits में ये नहीं कह रही कि सब मतलब सैलेड खाना शुरू कर दो. अगर आपको छोले भटूरे में खाने हैं तो घर में भी बनते हैं. So there are a lot of ways you have to tweak few things to have healthy alternates of things. And of course, a brand like Yakult will help you repair and add bacteria in your gut to help you digest all the food that you would want to eat.
Amara-san, this question is to you. This is Sanjeev from Asian News. Earlier, your brand ambassador was Shilpa Shetty. Now, Taapsee, what made you change first, and how, what value and how it is going to add to the brand? Plus, and you always take women as brand ambassador. Why not men? How about men? So, is it going to deliver a message that this product is for women more?
Thank you for that question. Actually, Taapsee-san, as you can see that we didn't have any, we are not lost to choose her because her sophistication and stylish presence and inner strength like lactobacillus casei, and she really represents our brand well. So, and this time we launched a new brand tagline, the Gut Expert and Undox Nutrition Power. So that we have to have a good ambassador to suit this image, and she's the right choice actually. I'm very comfortable, I'm very confident about it. And men, I can be the ambassador? No. Okay. Actually, Yakult, you know the Yakult lady also. That actually we communicate mainly to the ladies, like housewives, who take care of the house health issues of the family. So that's more, to cross communicate that feeling sympathy. So that's why we use select ladies.
एसके भारद्वाज फ्रॉम ग्लोबल वॉइस. मेरा प्रश्न है कि ये भारत है, यहाँ तो कुछ भी कोई बेचने आए 10-5% लोग कंज्यूम कर ही लेते हैं. प्रश्न है कि ये भारत आयुर्वेदा का देश है जहाँ नीम की पत्ती खाकर और बहुत देसी योगा जैसे दवाइयाँ लेकर लोग फिट रहते हैं. आपकी कंपनी 2008 में इंडिया में लॉन्च करी. अभी तक ये क्लास पीपल का प्रोडक्ट बन के रह गया है. मास लेवल पर आप नहीं जा सके हैं. क्या स्ट्रेटजी है आपकी जो मास लेवल तक भी आप जाएंगे? थैंक यू.
ये आपका बहुत ही अच्छा सवाल है. एक्चुअली हमने जब 2008 में याकुल्ट को इंडिया में लॉन्च किया, और मुझे याद है जब मैंने अपनी पहली प्रेजेंटेशन थी, एक ग्रुप ऑफ डॉक्टर्स थे, उन्होंने कहा क्या मैडम आप क्या बोल रहे हो, आप प्रोबायोटिक का कॉन्सेप्ट इंडिया में क्यों ला रहे हो, हम तो दही लेते हैं, दही भी तो प्रोबायोटिक है. तो तब उस समय में हमें यहाँ पे प्रोबायोटिक वर्ड ही एक नया शब्द था. तो हमने, आप सोच लो, पहले 10 साल सिर्फ एजुकेशन में लगाया कि ये जो प्रोबायोटिक का जो मतलब है वो प्रोबायोटिक, प्रो मतलब फॉर और बायोटिक मतलब लाइफ, ये है क्या. क्योंकि जब हम बैक्टीरिया के बारे में सुनते हैं हमें यही लगता है कि बैक्टीरिया मतलब हमें बैक्टीरिया से बीमारियां होगी. हम कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते कि ऐसे अच्छे बैक्टीरिया हैं जो हमारे लिए बहुत ही ज़रूरी हैं. तो 10-15 साल तो उसी में लगे लोगों को ये समझाने में कि ये प्रोबायोटिक क्या है। अब हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि जैसे 2008 के बाद अब अगर हम सोचे 2025 में लोग हर एक कॉन्फ्रेंस में, हर एक साइंटिफिक सेशन में लोग कहते हैं कि गट हेल्थ बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो अब लोग समझ रहे हैं कि प्रोबायोटिक क्या होता है। तो हमने ज़्यादातर क्लास ए, सेक ए और मतलब मेट्रोज में ये एजुकेशन करी है। अब जब हमें लग गया है, पता लग गया कि लोगों को समझ आ गई है, लोग प्रोबायोटिक समझने लग गए हैं, गट हेल्थ समझने लग गए हैं, बैक्टीरिया समझने लगे हैं, तो हम आहिस्ता आहिस्ता मासेस की तरफ जाएंगे, डेफिनेटली जाएंगे। इनफैक्ट हमने एक बहुत बड़ी स्टडी करी थी इंडिया में, 4000 बच्चों पर करी थी जिनकी उम्र 1 से 5 साल की थी, और ये हमने कैलकाटा में करी थी, स्लम सेटिंग में करी थी। और वहाँ हमने देखा कि जब ये बच्चे 12 हफ्तों के लिए उन्होंने याकुल लिया तो उनकी डायरिया की जो इंसिडेंस है उसमें 14% की गिरावट आई। तो सबसे पहले तो हमने ये देखा कि ये इंडिया में काम भी करता है कि नहीं। तो वो जब हमने वो स्टडी करी, हमें पता लगा, तो वो हमने मासेस में ही करी है स्टडी, पर अब आगे चल के डेफिनेटली हम मासेस की तरफ जाएंगे।
Yes, sir.
माय नेम इज दिलवर सिंह रावत मैम। और जो है कि एज पर जैसे एक कितनी बोतल लेनी चाहिए एज पर चाइल्ड और मैन और वुमेन पर डे के हिसाब से?
हमारा जो रिकमेंडेड डोज है वो 1 से 2 बॉटल है एवरी डे।
ओके।
एंड सिर्फ एक बात बहुत ज़रूरी है कि याकुल्ट का रेगुलरली लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये जो बैक्टीरिया हैं ये आपके स्टूल के द्वारा पास आउट हो जाते हैं। तो ये बॉटल को हर रोज़ लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है।
For how many days?
सो बेसिकली जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि न्यूट्रिशन और गट हेल्थ ये एक साथ चलते हैं। अगर हम अच्छा खाना खा रहे हैं, सेहतमंद खाना खा रहे हैं, तो उसके साथ हमारा गट आंतरिक का स्वस्थ रहना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो जब हम न्यूट्रिशन अच्छा ले रहे हैं उसके साथ अगर हम एक प्रोबायोटिक ले लेंगे तो हम ये इंश्योर करते हैं कि हमारा गट भी हेल्दी है। तो नॉर्मली हम कहते हैं कि इसको अपने डेली डाइट का हिस्सा बना लो, और 1 महीने के बाद आपको इसके आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, दवाई बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, ये सिर्फ आपकी गट हेल्थ और इम्यूनिटी को स्ट्रॉन्ग करता है। तो उस तरीके से आहिस्ता आहिस्ता आपको इसके बॉडी की इम्प्रूवमेंट में ना आपको नजर आने लगेगा।
कुछ डिसीज को भी कि
तो जब हम डिजीज की बात करते हैं, अभी जब हम याकुल की बात कर रहे हैं, हम प्रिवेंटिव हेल्थ की बात कर रहे हैं। क्योर ये डिजीज को भी क्योर करता है, मगर फिर जो बैक्टीरिया के डोजेस हैं वो बहुत बढ़ जाते हैं और वो पाउडर फॉर्म में भी आता है। मगर इंडिया में तो हमने सिर्फ प्रोबायोटिक फूड ले।
Yes, can we just... I will come to you also. Can we just please first give it to her?
Hi Tapsi, I'm Ahana. So we live in times of social media stress and anxiety. How do you manage your stress coming into considering that it impacts gut health and fitness?
It does.
Yeah.
I've also gone through that. And stress is inevitable in our lives, be it my profession or yours or anybody else's. And it directly affects your gut. And it directly results in things like acidity and reflux. So yes, since that also is connected with your gut, the reflux. So I think having a strong gut is also going to somewhere help. Of course, there's so many other things to manage stress, right? I can also tell you about you need to get out of social media. If not fully, at least try and detoxify yourself from being on social media regularly. But yeah, body detoxification, kind of a probiotic like Yakult will help you with that. But yes, you can all probably guarantee and the fact that whenever you've felt stressed, you've felt acidic in your body. That's because your gut instantly reacts to that stress. That's ऐसे थोड़ा ना उसको second brain कहते हैं. It kind of shows you the result of stress right there.
Thank you.
Post this question, we'll have a one-on-one with Tapsi. Yes.
Hi Tapsi.
Hi.
First of all, welcome to Delhi.
मेरे घर में मुझे welcome मत करना.
Still, I want to welcome.
And you wanted to just get that line from me. You got it.
Okay. So यहाँ पे हर कोई बात कर रहा है gut health के बारे में और आप खुद को कैसे फिट रखते हैं, ये सब चीज़ें बातें हो रही हैं यहाँ पे.
तो मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि आप जब काम कर रहे होते हैं, अभी भी आप काम कर रहे हैं, आगे भी आप जो है चीज़ें मैनेज करेंगे, इस दौरान जो है आप किस तरह से जो है खुद को जो आपका मेंटल हेल्थ है उसको आप फिट रखते हैं?
यार उसके लिए तो मुझे बहुत लंबा सेशन देना पड़ेगा आपको।
मेडिटेशन और योगा।
मेडिटेशन, यस, मैं वो करती हूँ। योगा एंड मेडिटेशन इज अ पार्ट ऑफ माय डेली रूटीन। मतलब कि मेरा योगा करने का तरीका शायद थोड़ा अलग होगा। मैं एरियल योगा करती हूँ, तो मैं उल्टा लटकने में काफी विश्वास रखती हूँ। अदर देन दैट, यस, आई मेडिटेट एज वेल। और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, मतलब आजकल आसान नहीं रह गया अपना दिमाग ठीक रखना। सो yeah, that's a long list, darling. I'll have to probably do a one-on-one session with you to explain how I'm keeping myself sane these days.
Thank you so much.
So we'll now have a one-on-one session with Taapsee. We thank Dr. Neerja and Amana for joining us. Thank you very much. And
Sounding like a one-on-one pow. हाँ, okay.
फोटो है फोटो
by one-on.
आपसी लोग क्या आपसी लोग क्या आपसे